Hi guys, welcome back to the Twins channel with me, Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah.
For our returning subscribers, please welcome back. And if you're a new subscriber to our channel, welcome to the family.
Yeah, remember to turn on the notification button so that you can be getting our episodes. And for those who have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do so and leave a comment so that we know you are here.
Yeah, so today we are going to be talking about, as the title suggests, when my twin is in pain, or when something happens to my twin, will I feel her pain?
So that is the question we're going to be answering. And also let me ask for your apologies early because I have a cold, so my voice is not on point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, so for this topic, we are going to be reading, other than telling you our own experiences, we are going also to be reading other twins' experiences, both young and old. And if you're a twin and you're watching this video, please just let our audience know that you're a twin, and you can tell us your experience, or you can concur or agree with us if you think some of the things you're saying are relatable to you.
And if you're a singleton but have twin friends or have experienced twins who have experienced the same, please let us know on the comment section. We'd like to know, right?
Yeah.
So the question we are answering today is, do I actually feel pain when my twin is in pain? Okay, so we'll start with our own personal experience.
Yeah, so this time when Mariam was about to start her periods, but both of us, we didn't know the time was nearing. Unajua kuna ile wakati
when
that unatupanga rada, right?
Right.
So
when you're off your chat, so
yeah. So that day I started feeling so much pain, and I knew for certain I wasn't about to start my periods.
Right.
But I didn't know why I was feeling pain, and I came to understand the pain when she started having her period.
So that day I was the one who was actually supposed to get my period, but the cramping, the pain, the
everything,
she's the one who experienced it.
Yeah, and then when she finished her periods, a week later, she's the one who started now having the period pains, and I had my period easy breezy, nothing, no pain, nothing. But I mean, she was paying for the cross I had to bear when she was starting.
Right.
So yeah.
Although mine were less severe, so I had it easy. Yeah, but I took her cross. I bore her cross.
You bared.
Yeah, whatever
it is. So yeah, so that is how we experienced each other's pain, and to some extent, to some other situations, we also still just transfer each other's pain. Yeah.
So I'll read a situation here that happened to actual identical twins, and then you tell me what you think about it. So this I'll just read the statement. My twin is at home recovering from surgery, and I asked to see her surgery cuts. They are stitched up and healing.
Surgery cuts are like
yeah, you know what it is.
Yeah, the stitches that you have after surgery. Yeah, they were in her stomach.
Yeah. So I noticed when I looked at the site, I immediately felt a pain in the same area it made my stomach hurt for about 5 minutes, and I kept clenching. Does this happen to anyone else? So that is someone who was sharing her story.
So what she's saying is that her twin underwent surgical operation, yeah, on the stomach, and then when she went to visit her twin, the twin asked her if she could see if everything was alright with the stitches. So when she looked at the stitches, she realized that is the very same place she was feeling pain when
she started feeling pain when she saw her sister's stitches.
Weird. Oh, singletons, what do you think about this?
Right. Another one says, when my sister had her first baby, she didn't tell anyone she was in labor, but I knew because I could feel it. Yeah. It definitely wasn't as intense as labor, but it was enough to make me uncomfortable. I called her and told her asked her what was going on, and she laughed.
Okay, so wherever the sister was, she didn't tell anyone, because when you're in labor, you normally don't have time to call, like, yeah, family who are away from you, telling them that, because right then you're concentrated on giving birth.
Right. So anybody in her family, nobody knew except from her twin. And why did she, or how did she know this one was in labor? Because she
was
felt
the one who was experiencing
right,
the labor pain.
Right, and she felt it was uncomfortable enough for her to ask her sister what's going on over there, you know. And the other one just laughed because she knew, right? Yeah. So the next experience, I don't even have to see anything. I knew my twin was pregnant before she did. Got her morning sickness and labor pains both times.
Okay. So what this one means is that when the sister conceived her children or child, she was the one who experienced the morning sickness, and she's the one who knew that her sister was pregnant,
and
without
she's the one
her sister knowing
the
it herself. Yeah.
So that is really interesting.
It's very interesting. And as you can see, most of the opinions that we are reading here are female. I don't know now why the male twins have been left behind, or if it often happens to twins who are girls. I don't know. Please.
Yeah, we don't know the experience of male twins, but we'd like to know if you're a male twin. This video, right? Yeah. So another one here says, just affirms what we were saying, me, Maureen and I. She says, yes, mad because we feel each other's cramps. So for her, in their case, they normally feel each other's cramps. When one is on her periods, the other one feels it. But when the other one is on her periods, she doesn't feel it. This one is the one who feels it. Yeah. So another one was saying, another story was that she was saying she knew her sister was pregnant before even her sister knew she was, because she was the one getting morning sickness and what not. So when they decided to go for tests, is when the other one realized she was pregnant. So this one already knew her sister was pregnant before her sister even knew it.
That's very interesting. So what this video goes to prove today is that yes, we do feel each other's pain, and yes, at times we can know what each other are thinking.
Yeah, and we don't even have to be in the same room with each other. If my twin sister is somewhere and something
she's
has
feeling
happened,
uncomfortable, the feeling will be transferred to her.
Exactly.
Like she'll start feeling that discomfort.
Yeah, so let us know what you think about this video. If you liked it, please leave a like for us.
Yeah.
And also remember to share,
and leave a comment so that we can know you are here.
Right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.